Please welcome Ravi and Sargun.
Check, आपको सुन रहा है पीछे वाली? So when I opened the vanity, he was standing outside in like a red jacket. I'm like, oh my god, who is he?
Who is he?
फिर इसने मुझे फंसा लिया.
We don't want to be some cute couple on the block.
Not just a hot guy.
अरे ये सुनने वाली बात है, मैं बताता हूँ. कहते तू राया पे है? मैंने कहा हाँ राया पे हूँ. तो तब मुझे पता चला कि राया असल में है क्या, और इसकी मेंबरशिप वो नहीं हुई, क्या कहते हैं, अप्रूव नहीं हुई. This one lady, you know, she messaged me.
He's like, yeah, me and my wife are here. Let's meet up.
Then she did that ghosting.
You guys
हम
are
कौन होते हैं
very
advice
busy
देने वाले?
doing breadcrumbing and situationships. No advice is going to work on you.
Hell is bread crumbing. गाजर bread. The worst thing that's happened to spirituality is social media. जब वो किताब आई थी सीक्रेट वीक्रेट ना, सब लोग पढ़ते थे, मैनिफेस्ट सब लोग कर रहे थे. इतनी मेरे को एकदम फ्रिवलस बात लगती है मैनिफेस्टेशन.
We're actually coming up with a manifestation journal.
I believe in manifestation.
Either put this or edit out the part that he said before.
Yeah.
मम्मी ने कहा कि अब 2 घरों के बिल दे रहे हो.
बेचारी मम्मा, उनको पता ही नहीं था हम एक ही घर में रहते थे. She's so cute.
What would you all like to say about commitment?
Yes.
आपने डिसाइड कैसे किया कि नच पले पे प्रपोज मुझे करना है?
अगर उसने बोला होता ना, मना कर दिया, बड़ी झंड हो जाती है सबके साथ.
I'm like कि किसी जूनियर आर्टिस्ट को मेरा बाप बना के ये सब बोल रहा है. I'm like my dad will kill him.
मेरे और सरगुन के कंबाइंड अकाउंट में कुछ 17 लाख रुपए थे. जितना पैसा था सारा हमने यहाँ के.
Hello mama, I have some kissing scenes with another girl in a show. Can I do it? ना जी बात नहीं.
People love to speculate कि इनके लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. Has that ever bothered both of you?
दिलजीत दोसांझ, गिप्पी गरेवाल और अमरिंदर गिल, मुझे तीनों पता है, इन्हीं में से एक के साथ करूंगी.
मैनिफेस्टेशन.
I didn't want to say the word. पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री is just about say 14-15 years old. 2015 में वहाँ पर साल की 4 फिल्में बनती थी. Today in 2024 there is 70 films being made in a year.
आप दोनों के बीच में जब झगड़ा होता है तो कौन पहले मनाता है और कैसे मनाता है?
मैं
कैसे मनाते हो?
हाथ जोड़ के. हाँ मैं ही हूँ महापापी.
The only way that I've kept him with me is जब मैंने पहली पंजाबी फिल्म भी हाँ बोली थी to produce, that was because
Okay guys, our second interview for today, Ravi and Sargun. Please clap and welcome them. Hello. For the camera. Come. Welcome to Humans of Bombay.
thank you.
There's lots of excitement because we have TV's most iconic couple with us today. How are you guys feeling?
Great, thank you.
Yeah.
Excited.
Excited.
Very excited to finally meet you in person. we've only I mean kind of I've seen you on my
वो
Instagram.
explore reels पे आ
Yeah.
जाए.
Explore reels पे और मेरे timeline पे.
हाँ.
So but so happy to meet you in person.
Thank you so much. So we're going to start from the very beginning. आप करोल बाग के set पे मिले. How was we know your first reaction because you've spoken about it quite a bit.
It was literally like how it happens in the films. I
Really?
didn't think that it really does, but it does. पीछे गिटार बजता है, सब बजता है. You look at somebody and you're like, अरे यार ये तो बहुत hot है. And of course when I saw him in the pictures before he had come on the set, because his character was a bit off, so he was wearing geeky specs and all of that. And I saw the character photos. And I'm like, सबके लिए इतने good looking लड़के लाते हैं, जब मेरे opposite लाना होता है, they have to get me like this. And we were 3 sisters in the show and we'd keep discussing, यार तेरे opposite सबसे बुरा आ रहा है. So the day that the promo shoot was happening, the promo was that of our marriage in the show. So when I opened the vanity, he was standing outside in like a red jacket. I'm like, oh my God, who is he? He's come somewhere wrong. And he's like, hi, I was looking for my vanity. I said, your vanity? He's like, I'm playing Umi in the show. That was the name of the character. I'm like, oh my God, I saw the wrong picture. I'm like, you can share this vanity.
Yeah.
There's very few vanities here. You can definitely share this vanity. He's like, okay, odd girl, fine. And yeah, I think for me it was pretty much like, he's hot.
Oh, he's hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got that.
And what about you?
And I saw a lot of color.
Huh.
So I mean, she's an extremely vibrant person. That's what got to me. First thing, I think I'm not half. That's something that I lack, I feel. So I really enjoyed her company at that time, and I still do. And I think it's exactly how I
फिर
felt.
इसने मुझे फंसा लिया.
फिर मैंने उसके बाद, all these strategies and I.
But prior to meeting, your upbringing, where you guys came from, बहुत ही अलग था. Like you came from very different worlds.
Yes,
So,
that's
what did you have to unlearn in this journey, to make the relationship work after that?
बहुत अलग. No, go on.
No, go for it, please.
No, go.
Unlearn, I don't know.
Go on, you were talking. Hey, he's throwing it to me. Go on.
I don't know. Yeah. Nothing really. I mean, the one thing that we learned rather than unlearning was to not give anybody access into the sanctity of the space that we have. So a space that me and Sargun have is exclusively ours. Nobody is allowed to suggest anything. Nobody is allowed to tell us how to conduct with each other. I don't know if it's making in articulation it is making as much sense as it is making in my head. But everybody wants to have a say in the relationship that two people are sharing. So in our case, that's not there. It's all us.
Okay.
I don't know if I still
No,
was able
it
to
does
make
make
any.
sense. Yeah. And what about you?
Unlearn nothing because हम लोग बहुत young थे. Like literally मैं अभी college से निकली थी. I had signed my first show, and the first genuine relationship that I had was Ravi. Like और वही serious निकला types. So आज के there was no, we didn't. आजकल बहुत situationships और बहुत कुछ होता है. तो आप रिश्तों में बहुत कुछ अजीब सीख जाते हो जो आपको सीखने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती. बट हमारे केस में हमें सिर्फ एक दूसरे के बारे में ही सीखना था. एंड व्हेन दे टेल यू दैट मैरी यंग, योर पेरेंट्स से नो मैरी यंग, यू कैन एडजस्ट, यू आर मच मोर फ्लेक्सिबल. आई डेफिनेटली अग्री विद दैट पॉइंट बिकॉज जब मेरी और रवि की शादी हुई हमारे पास कुछ बैगेज नहीं था. देयर वाज जस्ट वन थिंग दैट वी लव ईच अदर एंड वी हैव टू मेक अ फ्यूचर टुगेदर. तो हम लोग बस सामने देख रहे थे, एक दूसरे के साथ थे और सामने देख रहे थे. तो जब कोई बैगेज नहीं था तो कुछ अनलर्न करने के लिए नहीं था, बल्कि आई थिंक आई वॉज नॉट मे बी अ वेरी गुड रीडर. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट मी जो मुझ में सिर्फ रवि की वजह से आई. लाइक जो उसने मुझे सिखाया मैंने सीख लिया.
Give me an example.
आई थिंक माई कंडक्ट विद पीपल, वो मैंने रवि से सीखा. ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड ओरेटर. बहुत अच्छा बोलता है रवि. एंड आई थिंक जितना भी लाइक मेरी जो साफ सोच या स्पीच है, इट कम्स फ्रॉम हिम. माई पेरेंट्स वर ऑलवेज लाइक माई पेरेंट्स वाला है कि अगर मेरी मम्मा को किसी ने स्कूल में कहा कि आपकी बेटी बहुत ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट है, तंग करती है, तो मेरी मम्मा डांट के आ जाती थी. लाइक माई टीचर्स वर स्कैर्ड ऑफ माई मदर. पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग तो उल्टा था कि आप मेरी बेटी को क्यों बता रहे हो कि वो ना करे शैतानी, तो क्या करे, चुपचाप बैठी रहे. दैट्स हर नेचर, उसे करने दो. लाइक उसको दबाओ मत. एंड यू फील लाइक कि जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर जाओगे देन यू विल बी विद समबडी जो आपको कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा बोलेगा. इसने भी वही बोला कि जस्ट बी हु यू आर. एंड आई थिंक दैट पुश ऑफ हैविंग टू एवरी डे लिसन टू द फैक्ट दैट यू आर रियली गुड इज इनफ फॉर यू टू डू समथिंग इन लाइफ.
Correct.
सो आई थिंक मतलब मैंने इससे तो मतलब लाइफ की हर फिलोसफी मैंने इससे सीखी है बिकॉज आई हैव स्पेंड सो मेनी ईयर्स विद हिम नाउ. So half I learned from my parents and half I learned from him. So there was nothing to unlearn. There was only to learn.
So when you say it was filmy, लोग कहते हैं कि ऐसा एक मोमेंट आता है when you know कि he is the one, कि मुझे इसके साथ ही रहना है. What was that moment for two of you?
What was it for you?
पता नहीं ऐसा कोई is there a single moment that it happens? I don't know. I don't know if there is one solitary moment that it happens. I think it's a build-up of many things that happen over a period of time, and then you, at one point of time, which may be a certain number of days or months, or maybe for some people even years, for that matter, that you realize that you are so much in synergy, and you're looking at exactly the same things. I read somewhere, and that somewhere I said in some interview, and that happened to just surface in front of me yesterday, that there's a poet and a philosopher called Daisaku Ikeda. It's his quote that two people that being in love is not about two people looking into each other's eyes, it's about two people looking ahead in the same direction. So that's something that me and her, we really believe in. And I think very early on in our relationship, we realized that this is what we want to do. This is what we want to be. We don't want to be some cute couple on the block. That's not us.
Okay. So then let me ask you this question कि आपने decide कैसे किया कि नच पलिए पे propose मुझे करना है?
पता नहीं. I think वो time आ गया था. It was a very instinctive and impulsive thing.
Really?
I don't know what truly that whole concept of love. I don't know if I truly understand it. I don't know if anybody truly understands it. But what I did know at that point of time, that when she's not there, I'm incomplete. I don't feel whole. So if it's a matter of a day or a month or a year, I can't tolerate it, then I definitely can't look at a life without her. So I took my chances. Thankfully, she said yes. Otherwise, it would have been really, really embarrassing.
Yeah, that would have been बहुत ही, like if in that proposal you said no, it would have been a
अरे
little
भाई, in the time of internet, it would have been everywhere forever.
और सीरियसली बहुत स्ट्रेस था उस वक्त ना
मुझे
इसको प्रपोजल का था, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था.
हाँ.
तो मैं तो वो परफॉर्मेंस के स्ट्रेस में बैठी हुई हूँ. लग रहा है मार्क्स आएंगे नहीं आएंगे. दैट टाइम इट वाज अ बिग डील. एंड आई रिमेंबर जब मैं कॉलेज में थी, व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू वॉच दीज शोज ना, आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक एक दिन जाऊंगी यार ऐसे शोज में. सच अ बिग डील इट यूज्ड टू बी, यू नो. वी यूज्ड टू वॉच टेलीविजन ऑल द टाइम, एंड नाउ फाइनली आई वाज डूइंग इट. And we were, I think, the weakest couple to start with in that show. So, तो वहाँ से क्लाइंब करके ऊपर आना, इतना स्ट्रेस चल रहा है दिमाग में, और इसको प्रपोजल की पड़ी. Suddenly I'm like, ये कहाँ से आ गई बात? मतलब he never proposed to me when we had to date. In fact, एक दिन हम लोग कहीं मॉल में फूड कोर्ट में कुछ सब्वे वब्वे खा रहे थे, and I'm like, तो तुझे क्या लगता है हम गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड है? लग तो यही रहा है. That was the proposal. Like it was not even a proposal. Because हमें किसी मीडिया पब्लिकेशन ने पूछा, so I asked him, ऐसे तुझे क्या लग रहा है? He's like, हाँ मुझे भी लग रहा है. So it is a very like understated thing.
Yeah.
और अब यहाँ जहाँ दुनिया भर का प्रेशर दिमाग पे चल रहा है, मार्क्स आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे, कह रहे शादी करके आप what?
So very pleasant.
अगर उसने बोला होता ना, मना कर दिया, बड़ी झंड हो जाती है.
And I genuinely thought कि पहले इसने ना कोई मजाक करा है, because in the first AV he said I want to tell you something. I said ठीक है बता, हम स्टेज पे खड़े, क्या बता रहा है मुझे. Suddenly they put on an AV in the front, and he was talking to a man, and they were not showing his face.
Okay.
It was a tummy, and I don't know why he thought my father had such a big tummy, but well, he thought, and like these hands
So there was a
sitting
junior
like
artist
this.
for the father.
Yeah.
हाँ.
एंड ऐसे बैठा है, एंड ही इज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट मैन एंड सेइंग, सर मैं आपकी बेटी से शादी करना चाहता हूँ. ना होता है, आई एम लाइक कि किसी जूनियर आर्टिस्ट को मेरा बाप बना के ये सब बोल रहा है. इफ माई फादर सीज दिस ऑन टेलीविजन कि इसने फेक करा, एंड दे नॉट शोइंग हिज फेस, नो, सो आई एम थिंकिंग व्हाई इज ही डूइंग दिस. आई एम लाइक माई डैड विल किल हिम. कि ऐसे कौन जूनियर आर्टिस्ट के सामने बेटी मांग रहा है मेरी, हाँ, और मुझसे शादी को प्रपोज करे. सो आई लुक बैक इन एंगर, एंड आई लुक बैक इन एंगर, माई मॉम एंड डैड वॉक्ड इन. आई एम लाइक, everybody's in on it or what?
Oh, yeah.
It's only later when they of course played it on television, they shot it again with my dad. Thank God. But like it was very odd for me.
Yeah. And what was the instant reaction?
क्या बोलेगी
ठीक है
बेचारी?
कर ले.
अब तो क्या है? It's too public.
No, I was like ठीक है, मतलब करना ही था, ठीक है कर लो. Very much like that. Like I don't think I was the typical girl who said, "Oh my God, you got married." No,
Yeah.
wasn't that.
And then did your mom said that ab शादी कर लो, it's this kind of proposal. तो फिर did you feel that sort of pressure कि it was relaxed?
Very relaxed.
Very relaxed.
Yeah.
लोगों ने शूट के बीच में जाके कहीं शादी कर ली,
वापस आ गए काम पे.
वापस काम पे आ गए. Literally.
Really?
Like that. Yeah.
So describe that day for me. कैसे हुआ? How did you all decide? क्योंकि you know so much of society is about कि मुझे बड़ी शादी करनी है.
हाँ वही
We had a
वही.
very big wedding.
Exactly, right? And is that something that you decided, or
No.
is that something that just happened?
It happened because I remember these 2-3 conversations. First was when I went to Papa, Sargun's father, and I said कि पापा कुछ बहुत बड़ा करने की, कुछ बहुत opulent करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बेसिक सा कुछ कर लेते हैं. द पॉइंट इज दैट वी हैव टू बी टुगेदर. इसमें इतना मतलब तमाशे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मतलब कुछ खर्चा वर्चा.
I didn't know you said that.
माता मैं
I
बोल
would have
तो लेने दे.
hated it if you would have agreed.
So he said बेटा हमने लोगों को मुंह दिखाना है. मैं अपने पापा के पास गया.
Thank God.
उनको दिल्ली में रिसेप्शन करना था. मैंने उनसे कहा कि जी इतना कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हल्की फुल्की शादी कर लेते हैं, साथ में रहना है. कहते हैं बेटा हमने लोगों को मुंह दिखाना है. तो दिल्ली और चंडीगढ़ के रिसेप्शन बहुत बड़े बड़े हो गए. अब मैं आया बॉम्बे. दोनों पापा दोनों मेरे पास आए कि बेटा इतना कुछ बड़ा करने की जरूरत नहीं. मैंने कहा पापा मैंने भी लोगों को मुंह दिखाना है. तो उस वक्त मुझे याद है मेरे मतलब मेरे और सरगुन के कंबाइंड अकाउंट में कुछ 17 लाख रुपए थे. जितना पैसा था सारा हमने यहाँ की कॉकटेल पार्टी में डाल दिया. दैट वाज द लास्ट बिट. वी स्टार्टेड आवर वेडिंग विद लिटरली zilch in the bank account because we spent everything on our cocktail party.
We are very funny people.
We are funny
Yeah.
people like that.
But it was a good party.
It was a great party. You know, Bombay, I mean, our friends in Bombay, they swear by it.
Yeah.
Even our friends who traveled here,
Huh.
they came in on twos and walked out on fours, as they say.
So it was worth it. Lifetime memories. It's
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
They are.
So you know exactly जो आपने कहा कि शादी शुरू हुई with zero in the bank account, तो wedding एक बात होती है, फिर शादी दूसरी बात होती है.
जी.
The married life जो कहते हैं. So how did you grow into that? कि was it the same from your dating courtship कि शादी was very very different from there on?
Same.
Same.
Till date same.
It's
Really?
exactly the same.
Wow.
Nothing changed.
कुछ भी नहीं बदला.
How does that happen? लोग बहुत कहते हैं कि शादी के बाद सब कुछ चेंज हो
कुछ
जाता
नहीं
है.
बदलता. अगर ना चाहो तो नहीं बदलता.
हम्म.
क्या बदलेगा? वही किचन है, वही घर है, वही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बिल हैं, वही काम पे जाना है, वही बंदे के पास वापस आना है. कुछ नहीं बदलता है.
Yeah.
Nothing changes.
हम्म.
I mean maybe your attitude could change कि आपको लगने लगे ओह अब तुम मेरे हस्बैंड हो तो क्या कर ले वो फिर.
हम्म.
तो हमारा ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. हमें मैं बता रही हूँ ना हमने एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे शादी करी जब हमें पता ही नहीं था इन सब चीज़ों का. मतलब मुझे तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं पता. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि पहले मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ रह रही थी, फिर मम्मी ने कहा कि अब 2 घरों के बिल दे रहे हो, 2 घरों का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल दे रहे हो, 2 घरों का ये भर रहे हो, 1 घर का भरो. मैंने कहा
बेचारी
यार,
मम्मा उनको पता ही नहीं था वो एक ही घर में रहते थे. She's so cute.
but she knew. But her point was like that officially like be together. कहती हाँ. मैंने कहा मैथ तो सही सॉल्व कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Like मुझे लगा मैथ हो रहा है.
हिसाब
सही
के
math है.
हिसाब से सही हो रहा
हाँ ये हिसाब से सही है कि पैसे बचेंगे तो ठीक है हम साथ रहते हो कि डन शादी हो जाएगी परफेक्ट पार्टी भी हो जाएगी दिस इज ग्रेट.
हाँ.
और हमने शादी करी.
तो because that has changed a lot now, right?
Yeah.
Like
Has it?
yeah, like you know there are terms like situationships,
Yeah.
ghosting and breadcrumbing. और शादी भी लोग कहते हैं कि डिवोर्स की डेट लेके ही आती है because there are so many divorce rates now. So commitment is an issue or commitment is it's something that people look at as a task कि commitment निभानी है. What would you all like to say about commitment?
Yeah, I don't know if these are such suddenly ना मतलब I think पिछले 10-15 साल के अंदर ना जो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं जो बेसिक वे ऑफ लिविंग है जो हमारे पेरेंट्स कभी इतना इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज नहीं करते थे. आप कभी अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछें कि यार क्या है विच हैज़ वर्कड और नॉट वर्कड, व्हाई आर यू मैरिड फॉर 50 years, यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग योर 55th मैरिज एनिवर्सरी, 120th मैरिज एनिवर्सरी टुगेदर, क्यों कर रहे हो? तो उसकी कोई आई थिंक कोई इंटेलेक्चुअल पैरामीटर उसका है नहीं. जो मैं नाउ दैट यू आर आस्किंग एट द स्पर ऑफ द मोमेंट द थॉट दैट कम्स टू मी, आई थिंक जैसे ये पिलर्स हैं, मतलब ये पिलर्स हैं और इन्होंने आपके इस कमरे के या ऑफिस के स्ट्रक्चर को होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है. अब ये पिलर्स या तो किसी बाहर के बंदे के या कहीं और बाहर के पड़े हुए लगा दें या आपने लगा दें कि आप अपने मतलब व्हाट इज द बाइंडिंग फैक्टर इन योर रिलेशनशिप. ईदर इट इज गवर्न्ड बाय व्हाट द सोसाइटी इज टेलिंग यू दैट A B C D E, इफ दीज थिंग्स आर देयर इन अ वेडिंग इन अ मैरिज इट इज अ परफेक्ट मैरिज. इफ एक भी कम है तो शादी कमजोर है और अगर 5 हो गए तो भैया तो निकलो अपने अपने रास्ते. या फिर वो पैरामीटर आप अपने लिए खुद सेट करेंगे, वो पिलर्स आप अपने लिए खुद बनाएंगे. तो हमें अपना वो पिलर आई थिंक बहुत जल्दी बिफोर मैरिज ही हमें दिख गया था कि हमें मुझे इसको ना जीतता हुआ दिख के बड़ा मजा आता था, आज भी आता है, और इसे मुझे, और दैट्स इट. सो नाउ वी वांट टू जस्ट विन टुगेदर. दैट्स द बाइंडिंग फैक्टर. इन एट द स्पर ऑफ द मोमेंट व्हाट कम्स टू मी इज दिस, दैट आई थिंक द बाइंडिंग फैक्टर बिटवीन अस इज दैट वी वांट टू सी ईच अदर विन.
Wow.
In our secular life, in our personal life, and society, as people, that's what we want to have. And that is going to be there for till the rest of our lives and even after that.
Yeah, because you said something ki she's my better half,
Yeah.
and you've said this multiple times. So in that sense, आप क्या करते हो to make sure that she's winning, or you know, she's giving her pushing her best foot forward? Because
I just don't come in the way.
that's so important.
That's it.
No, I think he does a lot more than that. Yeah, I think लोग आजकल बहुत easily इंटरनेट पे चलता ना affirmations. शीशे के सामने बोलो, पानी में बोलो, हवा में बोलो, पत्ते पे लिख के बोलो, डे लीफ पे करो. तो
Switch word type का कुछ मैंने कहीं देखा था.
he is, हमें तो तब पता भी नहीं होता होगा कि affirmations क्या हैं, but I think every day morning, every night before I go to sleep, every time he sees me doing something, he tells me how great I am. And I don't need to hear it from the world. तो अगर आपको कोई दिन रात सिर्फ यही बोल रहा है कि यू आर अमेजिंग, तो बहुत सही है, यू आर ग्रेट, यू विल नॉट डू रॉन्ग, यू विल डू द बेस्ट. जब आप पूरा टाइम ये सुनते हो ना, तो आपको डिलूलू हो जाता है इस बात.
The good kind of delulu.
I'm using the words that people now understand. Delulu, affirmation, day leaf. But मुझे डिलूलू हो गया कि मैं सच में सही हूँ. और मैं, एंड देन बिकॉज आपको ये डिलूलू हो ही गया, देन यू ट्राई टू मैच अप टू व्हाट यू थिंक ऑफ योर सेल्फ.
Correct.
सो ही मेड मी अ बेटर हाफ.
Wow.
That's how it worked.
Yeah.
He literally, I think he had some magic potion. Spell on me.
And there was a lot of respect also. एक कहानी है जब you went to her father to ask for permission before a intimate scene on camera.
Mother, Amma.
Mother, father,
Papa, I'm
parents.
quite sure would have been okay with it anyway.
Yeah.
You're very
I
odd
mean
about
to
my
say,
dad.
basically, I don't think, and I am not putting myself in that situation, going to Papa and talking about this. That's not happening. So I took the easier route and spoke to Mama.
And उनका क्या reaction था?
She was odd.
Really?
I think she was really odd. He's like, Sargun, I have this scene in a show and all of that. Should I take it? I said, why are you asking me? देखो शो पसंद है तू करना.
ठीक है तो जाके तेरी माँ से पूछ के आता हूँ.
He said मैं तेरी मम्मा से पूछता. I said, how dare you ask me? I said, are you mad? मम्मी का क्या लेना देना है इससे? तुमने करना, मम्मी ने क्या करना है? नहीं मत करो. And then he called mama. And then मम्मा बेचारी, after listening to him, she's calling me up saying, बेटा मुझे ना रवि का फ़ोन आया था, मुझे क्या बोलना था. मैंने कहा पता नहीं मम्मा, इतना अजीब आदमी है. I'm like, this is a very odd call. Hello mama, I have some kissing scenes with another girl in a show. Can I do it? अरे भाई क्या बोलेगी मेरी मम्मा. But he did it. He's a cute boy like that.
Yeah. Let's talk about equal partnership, right? लोग बहुत बोलते हैं कि marriage is equal partnership, relationship में equal होना चाहिए. आप कैसे, इस पे आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है?
कुछ इक्वल तो कुछ ऐसा,
क्या होता है?
हाँ
equal
मतलब
तो कुछ
ऐसे
होता ही
कैसे रोज सुबह उठ के चेक करो, तूने 2 रोटी खाई, मैंने 2 रोटी खाई, तूने एक ये काम करा, मैंने एक काम करा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Okay.
जिसको जो आता है वो करता है.
जिसका दिन महीना साल अच्छा चल रहा है ना, वो उस वक्त कॉम्पनसेट करता है.
हाँ ट्रू.
Correct.
एंड मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कोई पर्टिकुलर जॉब इस घर में, लाइक रवि डजंट अंडरस्टैंड अकाउंट्स, तो वो मैं करती हूँ. लाइक माई CEO ऑल्सो सेज क्यों मैंने रवि जी से बात करी, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हो, मैं आपको फ़ोन करूँ. मैं क्या, प्लीज़ कॉल मी.
Yeah.
And if you have to talk about interiors, I'm really bad at it maybe. And so that Ravi can take over. And ideally अगर आप सोसाइटी व्यू में देखो तो ये जॉब्स उल्टे हैं कि आदमी अकाउंट्स करते हैं और औरतें इंटीरियर्स करती हैं. बट हमारे घर में ही इज़ द बेटर वन एट दैट.
Yeah.
Because if you ask me, I'd put this office in red, yellow, orange walls.
Make it exactly the way
Yeah.
it is.
And have like butterflies and weird
Oh Lord.
film posters. Like you'd walk into
I'm
this.
dealing with my medicine green walls in my house.
Yeah,
Oh,
like that's
Since the last 4 years, since pre-lockdown.
again okay, fine.
हरे रंग की दीवारें.
So like, but that's not something I'm good at. So he does it. So that's fine. And
Yeah.
what he's not good at, I do. But we're not balancing anything. कुछ ऐसे दिन होंगे जहाँ पूरा दिन मैं काम करूँगी, ये नहीं करेगा. कुछ ऐसे दिन होंगे जहाँ पूरा दिन ये काम करेगा, मैं नहीं करूँगी. So it's fine.
तो इन योर मैरिज एक कोई ऐसी क्वालिटी है जो नॉन नेगोशिएबल होती है? लाइक लोग कहते हैं ट्रस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, या कम्युनिकेशन, ऑनेस्टी, many different versions, right? तो what do you think is that foundation for your marriage?
Never really thought about. Have you thought about it?
No.
I don't know. Can you re-articulate this question?
What is it that makes a marriage a marriage?
Yeah, like your marriage, right? Like some people say,
Like, this
we
is
we have a lot of
non-negotiable.
trust. Yeah, that's
I have such a
non-negotiable.
stupid non-negotiable.
कि चाय नहीं पिएगा.
हाँ, ये किसी का हो सकता है. That's my only non-negotiable.
Chai nahi.
She hates for God knows what reason, but chai and ketchup. आप ये दो चीज़ इसके सामने नहीं ला सकते.
Really?
दुनिया बाकी आप
See, but it's a very odd thing. Like you'll say कि trust, or you'll say तू मुझसे कुछ छुपाएगा नहीं है. These are very weird things to say because if I tell him कि मैंने तुझसे पहले वादा लिया था तो मुझसे कुछ छुपाएगा नहीं और आज वो कोई रैंडम सी बात मुझसे छुपा रहा हो, then I'll pull it up saying कि तूने विश्वास तोड़ दिया.
ये वो बाहर वाले पैरामीटर्स हैं जिनकी बात कर रहा
हाँ.
हूँ. ये वो सोसाइटल पैरामीटर्स हैं
Instagram वाले.
जिनकी बात. Instagram पैरामीटर्स. साला एक पैर आपका रिश्ते में होता है, एक हमेशा बाहर ही होता है इन सब
Yeah.
चक्करों में. उसको मतलब लाइट वेट चीज़ों को रखें तो अच्छी रहती हैं. उसमें इतने बाहर डाल दो कि ये प्रॉमिस और वो प्रॉमिस और ये फलाना और ढमकाना और मतलब अगर ये हुआ तब तो बाहर और अगर ये नहीं हुआ तब तो
See,
अच्छे दिन भी होंगे, बुरे भी होंगे,
non-negotiable
बुरे.
means that you're testing a relationship. कि अगर इसने by chance ये non-negotiable काम करा, then I'm calling it quits.
Correct.
There is nothing non-negotiable in my relationship. Everything is on the table. Everything is fine. There is, मतलब, I want to live with him, so I'm going to have to make my way of having to be with him.
Correct.
If I'm keeping a शर्त on the table, then I'm already thinking in my head कि, like he said, कि एक पैर बाहर है, कि जिस दिन ये हुआ मैं तो निकली.
Yeah.
And I think that's what the relationships do today. They're already looking for green flag, red flag. 3 हो गए क्या? 3 red हो गए.
3 रेड
चल
गेम ओवर. नेक्स्ट राउंड चालू.
So yeah.
नहीं बट आप एक्चुअली अगर अपने पेरेंट्स से आप पूछें ज़्यादातर यू नो दैट यू आस्क योर पेरेंट्स, यू आस्क द एल्डर्स इन योर हाउस इफ़ यू आर स्टिल इन टच विद योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स देन देम दे वोंट बी एबल टू आंसर दी. और आजकल के जो लड़के बच्चे हैं या लड़कियां हैं वो आपको एक सेकंड में बता देंगे ये नॉन निगोशिएबल, ये पैरामीटर, बहुत सुंदरता, अच्छे शब्दों के धनी भी हैं, अच्छी अच्छी बातें करके बताएंगे. लेकिन आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछेंगे उन्होंने रिश्ता निभा भी लिया, अच्छे भी दिन रहे, बुरे भी रहे, लड़ भी लिए, कभी नाराज भी हुए एक दूसरे से, बट इट वाज नेवर एन ऑप्शन कि अगर ये नहीं तो भैया जो है फुल स्टॉप.
Yeah. And does it ever bother you ki, you know, in especially India, like not India, world over, television or films, there are a lot of like rumors, right, about famous people because people love to speculate कि इनके life में क्या चल रहा है. Has that ever bothered both of you? How?
बहुत अच्छी बात है यार. मतलब लोग बात करना शुरू कर, गुरु का डायलॉग है ना, लोग बात करना शुरू करते तो समझो सही जा रहे हो. कि आपका समय आता है तो लोग बात करना शुरू करते हैं, उससे पहले नहीं करते, उससे पहले किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अच्छा है.
And how does it kind of work, right? कि say now something doesn't work in your career or in your career. Like everybody, ऊपर नीचे तो होते ही रहते हैं. तो how do the downs impact what's happening at home, for example? कि you receive certain backlash कि आप एक genre के films कर रहे हो in life, right? So is that do you go home to discuss it, or is like talk about work and cinema and movies and TV something that you guys kind of like, is there a line to talk about it, or how does it work?
Talk about everything.
Yeah.
We hardly feel dejected, actually, I think, as people.
Really?
We've kind of over time learned to take a lot of we keep repeating this one statement to each other, that don't judge the event. It will have an outcome. The outcome is what is going to put the event in context.
Correct.
So we keep telling this to each other to remind each other that a setback is only a setback if you decide that it is a setback today. But the next moment has not yet happened. Maybe it makes a lot of contextual sense tomorrow.
Why it happened.
We have this kind of a obsessive optimism between us. And when in a weak phase or when you're on back foot, she's in a more vibrant and in a much higher frequency. So she would remind me, that you have to not judge the event. It is the consequence that is going to put it in perspective.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
The Schrodinger's cat.
Yeah. Are you all both competitive?
competitive
as people?
to the world.
Yeah, to the world. Like
With the
just
world?
generally, you know, like you're ambitious, you'll want to win in life, you're competitive.
We're
how
over
do-
ambitious, but we're not competitive.
It's a weird combination. We are not competitive
Really?
at all. No.
Yeah.
Okay. So define that, right? कि आप ambition को कैसे define करते हो? कि आप life को कैसे देखते
We
हो?
want to win. We don't want anybody else to lose.
It's a good way to put it. Yeah. Okay.
And,
And does that sometimes become hectic? कि though extremely ambitious individuals have very big goals to achieve, has that ever kind of been like, okay, y'all don't see each other for a few weeks because work demands it? Has that
Oh,
happened?
months.
Months.
Yeah.
Months.
Okay.
Months altogether.
In 2020 was the first year since 2015 that me and Sargun stayed in the same house for over 20 days.
Yeah.
So then after that, of course, we started the company together,
Yeah.
Dreamyata,
Yeah.
and then we started producing a lot of content. So we saw much more of each other after that. But prior to that, I think our workspaces were very different.
But even then, I think 2 weeks is max
That have been apart.
that we have been together.
Oh, that you've been together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it's always like या तो मैं 5 दिन के लिए चली गई या ये चला गया या कभी महीने के लिए कभी whatever, like wherever work calls, however it is. But yeah, it's I think over the time we are trying to make sure that we are making content and opening avenues ताकि हम लोगों पे कम निर्भर हो जाए. Because I feel like you today, you are more of a self person. You don't need, say, 30 people to look at you and say, I will make you something, because you're making something for yourself. An actor's life always feels like they're always looking at someone out there to look at them.
for the opportunity.
For an opportunity, for something.
Yeah.
And I'm sure कि वही चीज़ हर profession में कोई ना कहीं and you don't know what is that space you're looking at. It's a blank space. There is nobody actually जो आपको कुछ बना सकता है. So I think over the years हम सिर्फ वही चीज़ पे काम करते हैं कि हम अपने लिए कैसे काम कर सकते हैं, so that we are not looking at somebody. कल को that's why the competition gets ruled out, because tomorrow if somebody is choosing somebody else, we're not like अरे यार इसको क्यों लिया मुझे क्यों नहीं लिया,
Yeah.
बिकॉज हम तो उसको देख ही नहीं रहे थे. हम तो अपने लिए ही कुछ बनाने में लगे हुए हैं. और उसने अगर हम पे नज़र रख ली, then great for both of us.
Yeah.
We're very happy with that.
Correct.
So if they have to find us, they will find us.
Yeah. तो ये ट्रांजिशन कैसे रहा है from going to being partners and now business partners, where you all have a production house together? Were the roles defined कि आप ये करोगे, this is my department, or how did it work? ये transition कैसे हुआ?
She is between us. She is the one who has entrepreneurship in her code.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Okay.
It's her, and it was her thought. I mean, I had the intention of turning producer many years ago as well, but I think other than the creative skill set, I lacked the entrepreneurial, the commercial skill set to make it happen. But I think she's one who doesn't mull over over an inspired thought for too long. She acts and makes things happen. So Dreamyata Entertainment, Dreamyata Studios, Dreamyata Music, and now Dreamyata Drama
Yeah.
is in existence because of Sargun Mehta.
Wow. Okay. How was it for you to work with your partner? On
No, it's
Dreamyata?
great because like I said that जो मुझे आता है वो उससे नहीं आता, जो
So
उससे
it's a
आता है वो मुझे
compliment.
नहीं आता. So it's complementing. Like for example, I can think of a show. I can think of an entire show and write down an entire show. But I can't direct. I don't have sense of edit. I don't have sense of maybe like a BGM or how to package it all together. What you saw in there, the promos that
Yeah.
you saw, they are directed by him, written by him, literally sound designed by him, BGM by him. He can think, I don't know how many things at a time. I can't do that part.
Yeah.
So, you know, we like that we know कि अच्छा ये काम ये कर रहा है, ये काम मैं कर रही हूँ. He can't decide what budgets have to happen in. So we can fight like that. Like he'll fight with me as a director and I'll fight as a producer saying you don't have 2 more hours. You have only 30 more minutes to finish this. Or I'm not going to give you a Jimmy Jip. I'm sorry, it's too expensive. So those are the kind of fights we can have. Not fights, I mean arguments, because and then he's like, okay, tell me where can I reduce the budget. So we can have those kind of
Like
things,
it's
but
productive criticism.
yeah, but the thing is that today, that the day I remember, it was I think in Feb or March, and I'd been thinking of it for the last 2-3 months, constantly saying that I want to make my own content, कि हम सबके लिए बना रहे हैं, हम सबके लिए बना रहे हैं, हम दिन रात सुबह उठते हैं, किसी के लिए लिखना शुरू करते हैं और फिर वो ऑन एयर डालते हैं, कुछ अपने लिए भी लिखते हैं. So I'm like, final, we are going to do it. And he's like, yeah, let's do it. He didn't even ask me क्या लगेगा क्या नहीं. हमने उसका मैथ भी नहीं करा. इसको आज तक नहीं पता होगा उसका मैथ क्या है. बिकॉज उसने मुझसे नहीं पूछा मैथ. मैंने कहा ये करना है. आई डोंट नो कि ये कैसे पैसे बनाएगा. दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. द पॉइंट इज़ पहले कि हम इसको बना रहे हैं. देयर इज़ अ गैप इन द मार्केट. ये इंडिया में अभी नहीं हो रहा है, हमें करना है. एंड ही इज़ लाइक, ओके. March we started. Today we're sitting in December.
Yeah.
2 shows are shot with their songs. The promos ready. 6 December को आ भी जाएगा. Like I'm saying that because we were not, हमने एक दूसरे के थॉट पे डाउट नहीं किया. One, and then I told him ये shows हैं जो मुझे पसंद आए, जो इसको पसंद आए. We were like, okay. फ्लोर पे डाले. He's like, okay, मैं प्रोमो लिखता हूँ, प्रोमो करता हूँ. So it was like a hand in hand kind of thing. कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ तो ये कर, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ तो ये कर. So that's how it works.
Yeah.
So there is no maybe defined
Roles. as
roles,
such, yeah.
but we both internally know कि ये अच्छा करता है, ये अच्छा करती है, बीच में नहीं घुसते हैं.
Yeah.
Like that.
So do you all fight? And if there's a fight, how do you all resolve it?
Do we fight?
We
Or except
can,
the AC?
we can fight, but it would be because of him. I'm very
The
patient.
fight
like
over.
that. I mean, I'm very patient like that. Like I can take a lot of stuff, and he's like a soda bottle. Like
Yeah, it is.
खोलता है ना, like खोलो and you pop, बहुत सारी fizz बाहर आती है and then he melts.
खुद ही sorry बोलता घूमता हूँ फिर like that
Yeah.
Vodafone puppy.
Yeah.
So that's the secret to resolving
The
the fight.
Vodafone puppy is the secret.
What about you? Is there कोई vision है कि इस तरह से life होगी? Business included, life included, everything.
नहीं, पता है क्या, मैं अभी डायरी वारी में भी पढ़ रही थी ना, कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि ये सब कर रहे होंगे. Like if I go 10 years back when I joined this industry, 2009, I would have never thought that I would be producing or making content of my own. तो ये तो नहीं था मेरे point of view में. तब पर व्यू में ये था कि वो कोई बहुत लॉन्ग रनिंग टेलीविजन शो करूँ. तब उतनी सोच थी तो उतना ही मांगा. तो अब समझ में आ गया कि सोच छोटी है तो मांगते भी छोटा है, तो इसलिए मांगना बंद कर दिया.
Yeah.
अब जो दिख रहा है सामने, जो अपॉर्चुनिटी दिमाग में आती है उसको खोलते हैं, उसके साथ खेलते हैं, फिर जहाँ भगवान ले जाते हैं फिर कहते हैं ओके अब ये खुली, ट्राई करना है, चलो ट्राई करना है. वैसा वाला चल रहा है हमारा.
So looking back, would you have ever imagined being here, two of you, when you all met on that set that first day, कि शायद लाइफ में ऐसा भी होगा कि एक दिन we'll get married, we'll start a company together, we'll start becoming the best versions of each other. Did you all ever imagine?
Never. Not
मुझे
in our
पता था.
wildest dreams. But not
मुझे बीच नहीं पता था कि मतलब मुझे कभी ये नहीं पता था कि क्या होगा, मगर मुझे पता था कि ऐसा ही कुछ होगा, मतलब विदाउट द स्पेसिफिक्स. आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम एबल टू मेक एनी सेंस कि पता नहीं यार. आई थिंक वो आई वोंट बी एबल टू आर्टिकुलेट व्हाट आई एम फीलिंग, बट आई हैड अ सेंस.
Yeah. And for you? No.
No, I had no clue. I had no clue. मेरा बहुत सिंपल था. I think I was, what was I, 21 when I met you. 21, 22 when I met you.
I know we'd be happy.
Yeah.
That I knew. I had a great sense about that.
मुझे सिर्फ ये था लड़का हॉट है. अपन को
It's
इतना पता था.
important. The most important thing has
और मैं
been
था भी नहीं एक्चुअली. पता नहीं.
That's also true. Now when I look
क्या
back,
बकवास कर रही है तेरे को.
you just said कि आप नहीं थे.
मगर तुझे थोड़ी
Exactly.
बोलना है.
तब नहीं था, अब ज़्यादा हॉट हो गया. तब ठीक था. तब
Nonsense.
घुंघराले बाल थे. He was very weird looking. पर मेरी दूर की नज़र कि मैंने देख लिया कि ये थोड़े
called
सालों में हॉट हो
far-sightedness.
जाएगा.
हाँ, पास की
Fast
मतलब पास. उस दिन बाइफोकल नहीं पहने थे अपने चश्मे इसने.
So music is a very important part of what you all do. You're telling me inside also कि जो भी आप direct कर रहे हो उसमें गाने original है that are
जी.
creating it. And just generally the trend has been, right, in the last couple years at least, कि पंजाबी music काफ़ी fore में है global scale पे with artists like Diljit Dosanjh, the late Sidhu Moosewala. So what is it that you guys are trying to create when it comes to this part with music? Are you trying to also touch the lives of people globally in that sense? Because it has been a trend, right, with Punjabi music.
I don't know. I think the जो हमने पहला गाना रिलीज़ करा वेहानिया, there wasn't much thought in it. We loved the melody. I'd acquired the song some 6-7 months prior to the fact when we released it. मैंने टीवी शो के लिए लिया था, बट पता था कि हम एक दिन म्यूज़िक लेबल खोलेंगे, तो 6-7 गाने लेके रख लिए थे. So it was one of those.
Okay.
And it was playing in one of our shows, Udariya, for 6-7 months, but nobody noticed it. Imagine.
Really?
And then जिन्होंने गाया है गाना, उन्होंने कहा मैम इस पे ना 10K 20K रील्स बन गए, गाना अच्छा है, आप शूट क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो. एंड दिसंबर वी वर इन लंडन, आई वाज शूटिंग अ फिल्म, ही केम देयर, हमारी एनिवर्सरी थी, एंड आई थॉट दैट 10th मैरिज एनिवर्सरी वील गेट रीमैरिड, चलो वील डू लाइक अ वाइट वेडिंग. मैं कहा क्या वाइट वेडिंग करेंगे, कपड़े पहन के फ़ोटो ही खिंचा रहे होंगे ना, चल लेट्स डू लाइक अ फोटो शूट काइंड ऑफ अ फील, लाइक वी डोंट हैव रियली गुड पिक्चर्स ऑफ आवर वेडिंग. इज़ लाइक ओके. मैंने कहा कर ही रहे हैं, सब लोग आ ही रहे हैं, तो गाना शूट कर लेते हैं. And we literally shot Vehania like that.
Really?
Yeah, we have a team I have a production house, Dreamy Aata Entertainment in the UK also. So under that we have a team. And we're like ठीक है, गाना शूट कर लेते हैं. हमने गाना शूट कर लिया, इसने वापस आके एडिट कर दिया, इसने बात कर ली, चैनल खोल दिया. एंड इज लाइक सरगुन हम इस दिन रिलीज करें. मैंने कहा कर दो, और हमने गाना डाल दिया एंड इट वर्कड.
Wow.
And one of our friends, she has an Australian friend, she's like she listens to Vehania all day because she loves the melody of it. उसको नहीं पता कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो, but you love the melody of
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
You know, we listen to so many Spanish songs and so much. So I don't think कि हम कोई टारगेट करके बना रहे हैं कि भाई ये कोरिया में भी लोग सुने. हम कोई ऐसा टारगेट नहीं है. हम लोग वो गाना बना रहे हैं जो हमारे कानों को अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
Like even here, whatever music you listen to is music that we enjoy listening. So if there is a song that I have taken and or Ravi has taken and both of us are listening to it in the car, randomly दोबारा प्ले कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब हमें पसंद है.
Yeah.
अगर हमें पसंद है तो हमारे जैसे कोई 10-20-100 लोगों को तो पसंद होगा ही, वो सुन लेंगे.
Correct.
That's the idea of it. He is more into like the old school music.
Okay.
So he's very like वैसा वाला ही बनाते. Please tell me the few songs that you like. I forget.
We'll tell you after the interview.
No. Tell us. How can you?
Like, I love the 90s music. I love the 90s melody.
Okay.
And I think that, you know, it has so much magic, which I think in today's, particularly Hindi music, that's, it's not so much there. So I really like those melodies. I think you can go back to it again and again. It has a much better archive value. 90s and pre-90s. But post-90s, every once in a while you have successful songs, but I think they lack magic.
Yeah. So what's your favorite song?
मेरे महबूब क़यामत होगी.
Okay.
किशोर कुमार.
Yeah. Okay. And you know, when you talk about the next steps for the business, or just in terms of what you're looking at when it comes to life, how is it that you deal with, say, failure?
हम दोनों over the years we've become very. He was always spiritual.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think I turned spiritual way after I met him. But that's where we turn to. That's what we turn to,
Yeah.
to be honest. And not to people, not to anybody else. I think we just go back and हम अपने आप, like, we'll start to meditate or we'll talk to each other. And with time, anything can heal.
Yeah.
Anything can heal. So even if there is a failure, we will take it in our stride after a few days or weeks or whatever it is.
So talk to me about spirituality. How have you made her spiritual?
I don't know if I have. But if she's saying it,
You haven't made me spiritual also now.
then
I
what's the
don't
point? I don't know. I mean, I think I don't know how to basically answer that. It's a little, spirituality is so generic, but
क्योंकि बहुत सारे terms है ना, like now everybody talks about spirituality
Such as?
and manifestation कि, or like, you know, like you listen to reels about like different things and
वो तो worst चीज हुई है मेरे ख्याल से spirituality को. The worst thing that's happened to spirituality is social media.
सब गुरु है.
So not like, no, Ravi, if you think that Ravi is asking me to write something on a piece of paper
No.
and then lighting it up in the night, he's not doing that.
There's a
That
sage
part is not
sticks.
happening.
The present day spirituality on Instagram and social media, na, it teaches you that you are capable of everything.
Hmm.
Do whatever you want, you are capable of everything. आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. गलत बात है. मुझे नहीं लगता ये पॉसिबल. मुझे लगता है कि लहर का वजूद तब तक है जब तक वो समंदर से जुड़ी है. इफ़ यू आर कनेक्टेड टू द सोर्स यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. मगर अगर वो समंदर से अलग होगी तो आप उसको ग्लास में भर सकते हैं, कोई वजूद ही नहीं. फिर उसकी एक पेरिफेरी आ जाती है, एक परिधि में आ जाती है. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. लेकिन हाँ, अगर आप ये मान लें कि करने वाला कोई और ही है, देने वाला भी कोई और है, आपको सफल बनाने वाला भी कोई और है. अगर आपको कोई चैलेंजेस आते हैं आपकी लाइफ में तो उससे कैसे इक्विप होना है. यू नो, अ सोल्जर इज नेवर सेंट टू द फ्रंट लाइन्स ऑफ वॉर विदाउट बीइंग इक्विप्ड फॉर इट. सो आपको पूरी तरह तैयार करने वाली भी कोई दूसरी शक्ति है. जब आप वो सरेंडर हो जाते हैं तो फिर हो जाता है काम. इंस्टाग्राम वाली बेकार की स्टेप्स डिलीट कर दो सारे पेज. बकवास है वो सब.
So not just a hot guy.
And now he says, how has he got me through spirituality? I think you know the answer.
Yeah, of
I don't think I
course.
need to answer.
Yeah, this it's very refreshing as a view because there's so much different things on the internet, right? Like I keep saying this, that we're in a age of information overload. कि there's different opinions on everything and everybody has a lot of information and you don't know which way is the right information
जी.
to go. So very, very relevant. How do you use spirituality towards your work, towards like maybe how you approach certain things? Like for example, with reality television, for example, बिल्कुल आसान नहीं है. Like what you see as a viewer and what you're going through when you're in front of the camera all the time is two different things. So have you reached for spirituality during times like those?
Every time. I mean, everything in that sense is, जिस किसी एक वर्ड को आप बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लें अगर ना, तो वो हल्का हो जाता है, फिर उसका वजन चला जाता है. ये मैनिफेस्टेशन ना पहले बड़ा मज़ा आता था सुन करके. जब वो किताब आई थी सीक्रेट ना, सब लोग पढ़ते थे, मैनिफेस्ट सब लोग कर रहे थे. इतनी मेरे को एकदम फ्रिवलेस बात लगती है मैनिफेस्टेशन. अरे वो तो मैनिफेस्ट होना ही होना है, वो तो नेचर ऑफ लाइफ है. अब आप ग्रेविटी बोलना शुरू कर देंगे तो ऐसा थोड़ी कि वो कोई नई चीज़, कोई नॉवल चीज़ हो जाएगी. वो तो हो ही रहा है. आप कोई भी अपनी लाइफ को रेट्रोस्पेक्ट में अगर देखेगा तो उसको हमेशा जहाँ पे भी वो है उससे जुड़ा हुआ कोई ख्याल सोचता हुआ पाएगा अपने आप को. वो तो हो ही रहा है. इट्स द नेचर ऑफ लाइफ, इट्स द फैब्रिक ऑफ लाइफ. बट वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी कैसे इंटीग्रेट होती है? अगर आपकी पर्सनैलिटी से इंटीग्रेट हो जाएगी तो आपके किए हुए काम में भी दिखनी शुरू हो जाएगी. तो आपकी हर किया हुआ काम, अगर आप हल्के इंसान हैं तो आपका किया हुआ काम भी हल्का होगा, आपकी की हुई बात भी हल्की होगी. अगर आप में थोड़ा वजन है तो आपकी हर बात में वजन आ जाएगा. वही स्पिरिचुअलिटी कुछ अलग चीज थोड़ी है, डेली लाइफ से कुछ फर्क नहीं है.
हाँ, ठीक है, करेक्ट.
किताबों में नहीं है स्पिरिचुअलिटी, स्पिरिट में ही है. उसी को बात करना है.
So when you talk about Instagram and trends, everything has changed, right? Like अगर Gen Z की बात करें तो like we were saying earlier, there's situationships, there's breadcrumbing, there's ghosting. कई सारे layers होते हैं relationships में. What do you think would happen if you two were to meet today, not 10 years ago?
If it was any different, it wouldn't be us two. It would be two different other people who are probably called Ravi and Sargun.
Yeah.
But if time has to change it, then it wouldn't be the same people.
And I'm really hoping, even if we were here, we were not breadcrumbing. It's a very
What the
bad
hell is
word.
breadcrumbing?
What is breadcrumbing, sir?
Anybody knows? मैं तो पहली दफा सुना है. वो ये सिचुएशनशिप वगैरह घोस्टिंग पोस्टिंग सुना है मैंने.
I think it's maybe like कि वो कुत्ते को ऐसे थोड़ी थोड़ी बोटी नहीं डालते.
I'm sorry?
हाँ. False hope.
अरे मतलब गाजर देना.
Yeah.
वही है ना, करेक्ट है
Yeah,
ना.
गाजर देना.
गाजर देना, लारे देना.
हाँ.
All right, that.
Yeah.
So
So that is breadcrumbing.
Oh my God, I feel like West today.
Everything, you sit with Rashi, you learn 15-20 more
Well,
things
I am looking
that you don't
forward
need
to
to learn.
I'm looking forward to actually.
Like, nobody wants to learn it, but Rashi will tell you कि ये है. So
Breadcrumbing, all right.
breadcrumbing. हाँ. So what do you think it would be like if you all met today?
I don't know, definitely not breadcrumbing.
Yeah.
So you all were not part of the swipe left or right generation. वो
The
तो app
Tinder came later.
अच्छा, उसके बाद था.
मतलब हमारी शादी के बाद आया Tinder.
अच्छा, okay.
फिर डाउनलोड करके पाए जाते हैं वहाँ पे तो और बड़ी झंड हो जाती है. मुझे ना सरगुन ने एक बार, अरे ये सुनने वाली बात है मैं बताता हूँ. एक मिनट मुझे अभी याद आया, टिंडर की बात हुई ना. सरगुन ने मुझे एक दिन बोला कि यार there is this app called
Yeah.
Raya.
There's
You
this
have
app called?
Raya करके एक
Raya,
app है, Raya.
yeah.
तो सरगुण is like
मुझे किसी ने बोला जब मैं यूके में थी, एंड शी कन्विंस्ड मी, सो देन नाउ यू
तो
कैन।
मुझे किसी ने इसको दिया होगा गाजर ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग इसने आके मुझे बता दिया। तो कहते हैं, there is this incredible all the artists and filmmakers in the world are on this application called Raya. And wherever you may be traveling, and there are these directors and there are these casting agents and there are these actors and story writers and all that. It sounded like an exciting place to
An
be
exclusive
for someone who loves
membership, you have
cinema.
to pay.
It's exclusive.
To be
People
on-
they vet people.
Yeah.
And it's an exclusive membership.
It
और
felt
कुछ
like Soho
अच्छा
House
खासा
of-
हाँ.
Yeah, of
It's
the
Soho
digital
House
world,
of-
yeah.
not the digital world. No, it's the Soho House of dating apparently.
हाँ.
तो मुझे किसी ने बताया, यार एक बात बता रवि, तू इधर आ। मैं कहा होता, कहता तू राया पे? मैंने कहा हाँ राया पे हूँ। तो तब मुझे पता चला कि राया असल में है क्या, और इसकी मेंबरशिप वो नहीं हुई, क्या कहते हैं, अप्रूव नहीं हुई।
Thanks. I don't think that was
मतलब क्यों नहीं हुई मुझे पता
because
नहीं।
I needed 2 recommendations and he was one.
I was one.
And he didn't give me a recommendation.
क्यों recommendation क्यों नहीं दिया राया?
Now I'm doubting it.
नहीं,
Maybe
तब
he
मुझे
knew
पता
what
चल गया
I
कि
was.
क्या।
हाँ, अच्छा तो ये तो सही नहीं।
So मैंने कहा, I went to London and there was this one lady, she messaged me and she was some big company,
हाँ.
and me and Sargun had, this is during the Behania
Yeah,
time.
when we were there. He told me also, he's like, ये क्या यार?
ये तो इतनी बड़ी कंपनी में
It
काम करती है
felt
यार,
like
मैसेज कर रही है।
हाँ.
मुझे क्या पता?
कि क्यों कर रही है?
मुझे क्या पता? I thought she was working in some massive studio there
And she must
wanted to
have
be.
said
मैंने
that,
कहा,
if you're in London, we should meet up for coffee. He's like, yeah, me and my wife are here, let's meet up. So she must have
हाँ,
not
then she
responded
did
to
that
it.
ghosting. वो क्या था?
So he's like, यार, she didn't reply.
So there was no reply to me and my wife are there.
No, उसके बाद नहीं था।
No.
जबकि I'm such a dud. So I'm on this application called Raya, and all the pictures on Raya are me and Sargun. Well, it's बहुत sharp लोग नहीं है उधर। I'm still on it, but I haven't resubscribed. So I think you can only exit if it's like Hotel California. You can get in, but you can't ever leave. Something like that.
Yeah. It's a loop में
It's a
चलते ही
loop,
जाता
yeah.
है. हाँ.
बढ़िया है।
Okay, tell me a fun memory. Have you all pranked each other?
Pranked?
Yeah.
Have you pranked me?
Yeah,
I'm
he
not.
pranked me.
How come?
When?
And it was a very serious prank.
What was that?
And I have to still live with it.
What?
Yeah.
On the first time after our dating, after we started a date, मेरा बर्थडे था, तो ये रात को 5th September, रात को 12 o'clock, all my friends are there, everybody got me gifts. And I'm like, what did you get me? Like my boyfriend, first gift, है ना? And he's like, थोड़ा बड़ा था तो कल deliver होगा. I'm like, really? And I'm all night I was thinking, I'm like, इतना क्या बड़ा है? बैग होता तो खुद ही ले आता बंदा, है ना? I'm really thinking. Next morning, my mom called me up saying, क्या दिया रवि ने? I'm like, अभी तो मम्मा कुछ नहीं दिया. I'm waiting. He said deliver होगा. About 2 o'clock, मेरे घर की घंटी बजती है, and there was a girl who worked for me there, Nilima. She opened the door and she's like, दीदी आपके लिए washing machine और TV आया है.
Fridge.
TV, not even a fridge.
हाँ.
And washing machine. And I'm like, मेरे लिए, and I went there and it said happy birthday Sargun. I'm like, ये किसने मुझे washing machine कौन दे रहा है? Who in this world will gift their girlfriend of 6 months a washing machine? Who? And then when my mother and my best friend asked me, and my mom's like, ठीक, and I'm like, मम्मा washing machine और TV दे. मम्मा कहती ठीक है बोल ले झूठ, तू तो बोलती थी कि तू मेरी दोस्त है, मुझे इतना भी नहीं बताएगी. I'm like, I'm not lying. उसने मुझे सच में washing machine दी है. And then my best friend asked me, she's like, do you think your clothes smell? Do you think there's an issue? I'm like, I'm trying to understand. And
like a subtle hint.
he doesn't have a sense of smell.
हाँ.
So I'm like, ये तो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि उसको बदबू खुशबू का पता ही नहीं चलता, उसको तो परफ्यूम नहीं पता चलता. So I'm like, it has to be something else. And we really, हमने सोचा है बैठ के कि इसने मुझे क्यों दिया होगा. Because he's like, तू मुंबई शिफ्ट हुई थी तो तूने लिस्ट में चीज़ें लिखी थी ना, तो उसमें से मैंने 2 दिला दी.
Sweet. Yeah.
It's not so bad, yeah. See?
Yeah.
See?
I mean,
You
no.
gifted me a washing machine.
So जितनी बार अच्छे साफ कपड़े पहनेगी उतनी बार अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को याद करेगी. यूटिलिटी बेस्ड है. ऐसी क्या चीज़ आपने कोई घड़ी वड़ी दे दी, वो पड़ी हुई अलमारी के अंदर, कोई फायदा थोड़ी है. रोज कपड़े धुलेंगे, रोज याद आऊंगा मैं. ये स्ट्रेटजी है.
Yeah. bad strategy. What not to do.
What
it
not to
It
do.
felt like a prank.
Yeah, it felt like a
Yeah,
prank.
it is a prank.
And what about you? Have you pranked him ever? Has she
Has
pranked you?
Sargun pranked me? No, I don't think she's
No.
pranked me. I didn't prank her anyway. She
You
thinks
did.
it's a prank.
It's a prank.
Yeah, it's
But I
not
have
like a
I've
prank.
never
No,
pranked
no.
Never.
Okay. And what would you categorize? कि आप like if you were to describe yourself as a couple, right? Fun, are you all adventurous? काफी सारे questions हैं ना, Gen Z questions.
Gen Z नहीं adventurous तो नहीं है जी.
Okay, in
बिल्कुल भी.
Gen Z terms, we are goat.
गोट क्या है? गोट क्या होता है? अच्छा हाँ, गोट
Greatest
तो मैंने
of
सुना
all
है. नहीं, नहीं,
time.
गोट मुझे पता है. गोट मुझे पता है.
Yeah.
भाई जो ना घास खाती रहती है.
Okay, so now that we have gotten over breadcrumbing, ghosting, Raya,
राया.
washing machine, what advice would you give the youth about love? Like 3 things you would say they should maybe
3.
focus on. 3.
Three.
They don't
We
even
love
deserve
number 3.
one.
All odd numbers. 3.
Don't listen to advices. That's what I would tell
खुद का
Starting
कर
with
लो.
ours.
खुद
you.
का कर लो.
हाँ, खुद का करो. तू तेरा देख. वो ट्रक के पीछे नहीं लिखा होता.
मेरा खुद का था.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
No,
just
I
do
don't have
your
any
thing.
advice.
If things are meant to be, they will be. If they are
Okay.
not, they will evaporate.
Okay. Okay, we're going to move to the next round.
Let's do it.
It's a couple game, ठीक है?
Okay.
तो मैं question पूछूंगी. You all both will get writing pads and have to write down each other's
अच्छा,
answers.
वो
ठीक
वाला
है?
गेम है जिसमें मैं हमेशा हारता हूँ. I have to.
We want her
अभी
to
सुबह
win.
भी हारा.
We're trying to get her to win.
I can see that. Of course, I can see the bias.
Let's go. I'm ready.
चलो, let's try it.
Come, guys, get me the.
अच्छा, इधर ले आओ. आजा. तेरा भरोसा नहीं है सरगुन.
Okay, so you have to write down the answer to this question, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll tally it. What is the first gift Ravi ever gave you? Unfortunate first question.
Do we need to show this? Yay.
No,
Did you-
sorry, you got it wrong.
What did you give me?
It's a BlackBerry. Don't you remember in 2010 I got you a BlackBerry?
That you gave me?
I gave you.
I thought it was another boyfriend, guys. I'm sorry. I did get a
so
BlackBerry. I was
he's 1
confused between
point.
the
Who's
One
keeping
point.
track of the score? Somebody is
No,
keeping track.
you didn't give me
I
that.
did. Of course I did. I bought you a phone. I bought you that
Purple wala.
purple wala.
Okay.
Okay. What is Sargun's biggest fear? This is blank.
Is it my turn?
Have you written?
Yeah, it's a question mark.
Fire.
water, insects, tea, and height.
Basically Earth.
Everything.
Okay. Ravi's favorite travel destination.
Yeah.
पक्का गलत लिखेगा.
मैं तो 100% सही लिखूंगा सरगुन. मेरी फेवरेट है ना लास्ट आई चेक.
Yeah.
क्या लिखा?
London.
लंदन.
Okay, good. So she got the right answer. Where was your first date?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Orange.
Correct?
Hara. Yeah.
Orange Hara.
Orange Hara. So the restaurant in Delhi called Orange Hara.
Okay. What is Sargun's favorite food?
आ जाओ भाई मार्केट में.
ये तो बड़ी बच्चे को पता है.
Correct?
Butter chicken.
Yeah.
The one thing Ravi cannot leave the house without.
अब तू नहीं होती तो क्या मैं घर में पड़ा रहता हूँ.
Yeah.
Mobile phone. Okay. Who said I love you first?
I want to believe it was him.
Believe.
Me, I think.
Yeah.
I'm not totally sure.
You.
Who is more likely to fall asleep during a movie? Very big me.
Because he fell asleep during our first movie date.
Oh, really?
which he forced me to go to.
Okay, amazing.
And then right when he entered the theater, fell asleep in 5 minutes and got up for the last 10 minutes of the climax and said,
क्या
what a
पिक्चर
film.
थी है?
And I didn't even want to watch
कौन
the
सी
film.
फिल्म थी?
I really like that
Robot.
film actually. Robot. वो
Rajnikant.
Rajni sir's film.
And that time I was like,
and
ऐसी
I
फिल्में
love the
नहीं
climax.
देखती
You know,
मैं.
if anyone has seen the first one, the one that came out in 2009.
Yeah. I wish you had seen it in the theater.
I didn't actually see it in the theater, but I saw it. It's an incredible film.
If your love story was a title of a Bollywood film, what would it be?
बरकत. अच्छा लिख दूँ.
But this too, we can't get it together.
Yeah, we can't.
That
you
would,
won't.
that's a
Yeah,
very odd.
Yeah,
this thing.
just to see alignment, you know.
Yeah. This alignment though I won't have.
No. Okay, what is yours?
And socha nahi.
No.
It'll take me time.
Okay, fine.
Very
We'll come
slow.
back to this. If Sargun could shop from one shop to get forever, which would it be?
It depends on what is she shopping for.
Shopping,
Clothes.
shoes, bags.
It's not a shop, but it's like more of a store.
I don't think he'll get it right.
Harrods.
No. She said Bershka.
Bershka.
बगल में ही है. Harrods के पास ही है.
Where was your first trip together? Last question.
Last question is
Where was your first trip together?
First trip. Where did he go? I do not remember. South Africa?
Goa.
Hey, that's not trip.
तो what is गोवा कैसे जाते हैं?
बाजू।
टेलीपोर्ट होके जाते हैं क्या?
Goa is a trip. Goa is a trip.
Goa is not it. Goa is such a उठ के सुबह चले गए बिना नहाए वाला thing. It's not a trip. Like Goa doesn't even feel like a trip.
Okay.
Then how come everybody is tripping there?
Okay, amazing. Now we are down to the audience questions. There's
Alright.
lots of fun questions for you.
Thank you.
Who's gonna take it first?
Hi Ravi, hi Sargun. First of all, me, my family are like big admirers of your work, so it feels a pleasure watching you, both of you, live and discussing everything about the world, your relationships. My question is for Sargun. Sargun, you've played different characters across different genres, be it a quirky role in Sonkan Sokri or an emotional one in Kismet 2. How do you manage to reflect so much honesty and authenticity through your characters that it feels that we have to root for you and we have to root for this character?
I don't think that's a question. I think that's a compliment.
Questionable compliment.
Firstly, thank you. I don't think I've put that much I don't think you can put honesty in a character. वो आर्टिस्ट के हाथ में हो नहीं सकता. मुझे जितना आता है मैं उतना टाइप कर लेती हूँ, है ना. आई डोंट थिंक दैट देयर इज़ मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सोच के जा रही हूँ दैट इट्स ऑनेस्टी. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू फील लाइक एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग इट विद ऑल माई हार्ट मे बी दैट्स व्हाट्स रिफ्लेक्टिंग and that's what you're watching, but please keep rooting for me.
Yes, always. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
हाय सरगुन मेरा एक
Say
सवाल
hi to him also, Mohsin. Hi, Sargun.
मेरा सवाल आपको एक है
I like boys.
नहीं बोल सकते हैं. और दो just make जान वाला सीन है अपना. आपने इसको बोला मुझे बोला है एक बराबर.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माय मॉम इज बिग फैन ऑफ यू सरगुन. आपका जो सीरियल आता था क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, उस टाइम पे वो देखते थे. सो माय क्वेश्चन इज टू यू इज व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रोफेशनल रिस्क यू हैव टेकन एंड हाउ डिड इट चेंज योर लाइफ?
Biggest professional
Risk that I've taken.
risk that you've taken. You can मैं सो जाता हूँ तो बताना शुरू कर. इतने सारे हैं क्योंकि what Sargun has.
No, I think I was literally at the peak of my television career when I was doing Balika Vadhu. And एक दिन मैंने एक पंजाबी फिल्म देखी और मैंने कहा अरे यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. And I remember going to the channel's office and they were like, my contract was up for renew and I didn't want to take it no matter how much money they offered because I was like, मुझे पंजाबी फिल्में करनी. Even they asked me कि कौन सी, ऐसे ये नहीं मुझे पता. I had no offer, I didn't know where to go, I didn't know who to call, ask या ये बनती भी कहाँ है. And I literally walked out saying that this is what I want to do.
Wow.
I think so. और कोई लॉजिक नहीं था उस बात में. पिछले 3 महीने से बस पंजाबी सीख रही थी रोज़ पंजाबी फिल्में देखकर. जो बंदा सड़क पे मिल जाए उसे बोल रही थी, हेलो आप किसी को जानते हैं, मैं पंजाबी फिल्म करना चाहती हूँ, हेलो आप किसी को जानते हैं, मैं पंजाबी फिल्म करना चाहती हूँ, एंड दे वुड आस्क मी हु, एंड आई वुड नेम द 3 हीरोज ऑल्सो. I'd be like दिलजीत दोसांझ, गिप्पी गरेवाल और अमरिंदर गिल, मुझे 3 हीरो पता है, इन्हीं में से एक के साथ करूँगी. एंड आई रिमेंबर वॉकिंग टू वन ऑफ द ऑफिसेज एंड दे लाइक, पर वो तुम्हारे साथ क्यों करेंगे? सर दैट्स नॉट अ क्वेश्चन वी आस्क, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. एंड लिटरली 14th of Feb आई गॉट अ कॉल एंड द राइटर ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड सेड कि सरगुन एक फिल्म है पंजाबी करेगी. आई एम लाइक हाँ. सिर्फ हीरो कौन है? इट्स लाइक अमरिंदर गिल. आई एम लाइक क्या चल क्या रहा है? सो आई थिंक
Manifestation.
I didn't want to say the word. Gravity. Gravity pulled them to me. Yeah. So I think, but that was the biggest risk I took because मैंने सबको बाय बाय कर कर आगे निकल गई थी. ये नहीं पता था कि जाऊंगी कहाँ.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it paid off.
It did.
Yeah.
Turned my life around.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
On the note of the Punjabi industry, because you're also trying to build long form content, right? Can you throw some light कि Punjabi industry में क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है? Because I don't think Indian audience understands regional industries कितनी बड़ी हो रही हैं. Everyone only looks at Bollywood, but Gujarati हो गई, Malayalam industry हो गई, Punjabi हो गई. They are really taking the world by storm. आउटसाइड इंडिया इतने बढ़िया कलेक्शंस होते हैं, इतना बढ़िया काम चल रहा है. कैन यू थ्रो सम लाइट इन कि वो इंडस्ट्री कैसे फंक्शन करती है, वहाँ क्या हो रहा है, एंड हाउ डज इट कंपेयर टू से बॉलीवुड विच इज़ द मोर पॉपुलर इंडस्ट्री?
See, frankly, Bollywood is a very old industry, and considerably, Punjabi industry is just about, say, 14-15 years old. If I had to just tell you that. मतलब जब मैं 2015 में जब मैंने अपनी पहली फिल्म करी थी तो वहाँ पर साल की 4 फिल्में बनती थी. तो जब मैंने एक फिल्म करी तो अगले साल मुझे लगा कि अब मैं कौन सी फिल्म करूँ, तो मैंने एक ही और फिल्म करी क्योंकि और 3 ही बन रही थी. सो देयर वाज नो ऑप्शन ऑफ हैविंग टू से कि आप कितनी फिल्में कर सकते हो. देयर वाज, एंड उन तीनों में से भी 2 बड़ी थी और 2 बहुत एवरेज फिल्में थी. टुडे इन 2024 देयर इज़ 70 फिल्म्स बीइंग मेड इन अ ईयर. सो आई थिंक द वॉल्यूम ऑफ फिल्म्स इज़ टेलिंग यू कि कितना पैसा उस इंडस्ट्री में आ रहा है और कितना पैसा वो इंडस्ट्री चर्न आउट भी कर रही है. आई नो दैट दे फील लाइक कि आप लोग बहुत सस्ती फिल्में, वहाँ पे महंगी फिल्में भी बनती हैं, सस्ती फिल्में भी बनती हैं, जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर इंडस्ट्री. एंड वी हैव फिल्म्स नाउ दैट आर टचिंग 100 crores एंड क्रॉसिंग 100 crores. We have some 5 films that have touched 70 crores. One of them is mine, Sonkan Sonkane, that they talked about. And I feel like our multiplication is way bigger than any other industry. We are small, but because हम लोग world over पंजाबीज़ को cater कर रहे हैं, so our multiplication is bigger in terms of revenue. And the other thing is that हमें पहले तो लोगों को जगाना पड़ा. वो पंजाबीज़ को भी जो शायद यहाँ पे 1 या 2 तो होंगे जिन्होंने कभी अपनी लाइफ में पंजाबी फिल्में नहीं देखी होंगी, बट अब देख रहे हैं बिकॉज वो पॉप कल्चर में आ रही हैं. सो यू नो वी हैड टू बेसिकली टेल पीपल कि अब हम भी अच्छी फिल्में बना रहे हैं और आप पंजाबी समझते हैं, अब आप पंजाबी फिल्में भी देखिए. बिकॉज देर एनी वेज वॉचिंग हिंदी फिल्म्स, तमिल फिल्म्स, तेलुगु फिल्म्स, इतना कुछ है, इतना कॉन्टेंट है. उस कॉन्टेंट के बीच में उनको हर बंदे को जगा के कहना आप पंजाबी आप भी देखिए. पहले सिर्फ उनको ही जगा लें, वी विल क्रॉस 300 crores. Then there is an entire set of people who don't understand Punjabi but who watch all languages, who can then join us. So I feel like we have a great scope to grow. We are a lot of us. कहते हैं आधा कनाडा पंजाबी है, वहाँ पर तो साइन बोर्ड भी पंजाबी हैं, to be honest. तो अगर हम लोग if we can go to every person and say that now we are doing good work, we will end up having a bigger box office than a lot of films here. Yeah.
Hi Ravi, hi Sargun. Great having you here.
Thank you.
There are a lot of unmarried young girls in the audience and we're constantly listening to oohs and ahs and ahs. So if the two of you had to define love, the feeling, the emotion in one sentence, what would that be?
Commercial. I think it makes for very good movies. It makes for great gifts. It makes for fantastic shairi and poetry. But the real thing that matters is a partnership. And that is what is going to survive the test of time. Love is novel. Everything novel is lovely. You know, you look at a woman for the first time and she's lovely. And then you get used to the face. You hear her for the first time, she sounds like a koyal and then turns into a crow. You know?
Was that about
No, not about you. Maybe you are my Hummingbird.
think I
You're my hummingbird,
sound like
sometimes a
pro.
mockingbird. But my point being that everything that, when the novelty fades out, what remains is what matters. And if it is love, it's love. If it's companionship, it's companionship. If it's partnership, it's partnership. If it's another word you want to articulate it with, it's that.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I mean, it makes for fantastic Archie's gallery greeting cards.
I think we'll ask Sargun about love. Maybe we'll
बोलिए।
get like a.
इनका तो और आपको बढ़िया आंसर मिलने वाला है। आप तैयार हो जाओ, brace yourself.
नहीं I don't मेरे पास सच्ची में I'm not so articulate to have to say what these things are. I don't have a like I don't if you tell me that do you love Ravi, I'd be like yeah, because people make it seem like this is love. But I don't know what it's supposed to mean. I don't know what it is supposed to feel like. Sometimes when I'm with him, I feel like a lot of warmth. I feel like, oh my God, he's my fuzzy corner. Sometimes I can feel like he's annoying me. Sometimes I feel angry. Sometimes I can feel anything with him. No, but the comfort of having to feel any emotion with him could be basically love, maybe.
Yeah.
But he's my go-to man. He's the one I'm inspired from. He's the one I can fight with. So everything is with him. So मेरे पास ऐसा कोई प्यार का ऐसा वन स्पेसिफिक डेफिनेशन नहीं है कि आंखों में देखा और खो गए टाइप्स. वो तब था क्योंकि तब पहली बार ही देखा था एंड लाइक ही सेड लाइक इट वाज नॉर्मल कि पहली बार ही देखा लड़का हॉट लगा. पर अब कितनी बार ही हॉट लगेगा. अभी कभी तो बहुत बुरा भी लग रहा होगा. कभी कभी मैं भी बुरी लग रही होंगी. पूरा दिन एक दूसरे को
सुबह देखिए आप मंजन करने से पहले.
So I'm saying beyond that is love.
Okay.
Okay, hello ma'am, hello sir. I wanted to ask that to both of you. You have played so many characters so far. So any one character you would love to replay it or refilm it, and one character which you like not now, like ho gaya bas ek baar. You won't like to play it again.
Why are you looking at me? You have to say.
There is one character I really want to play, but it's not something that I played so far. But I would love to play it in the future. The character I don't know if you all have seen the television show that used to come long ago, Vyomkesh Bakshi. So that's one of the characters I really want to play. Let's see. I'll maybe manifest it.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. My name is Aisha, and I have grown up watching your shows. What is that one misconception that we, as an audience, have for the, like, what is that one misconception that is in working with the entertainment industry? What do you think?
Misconception.
Yeah, trying to think. सब कुछ तो सच है. All that you see and hear is true. I don't know. Is there any that you feel is a misconception?
कि बहुत ही मिसकंसेप्शन है ऐसा कि फ्रिवलेस है सब कुछ.
Yeah,
बट
maybe
मुझे
that.
सबको ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब इट्स ऑल पार्टीज एंड फन एंड गेम्स एंड ऑल ऑफ
Yeah.
दैट. इट्स नॉट एट ऑल.
Like glamorous,
Yeah,
basically,
glamorous. And it's all so comfortable. I mean, but it's not. To be relevant, it takes a whole lot of hard work and a lot of discipline. Maybe everybody does not need to get up at 4 in the morning, but I really feel that an artist must get up very early. An artist must experience everything that the day has to offer. Has to walk or should walk all walks of life. So I don't think it's that probably is a misconception. Everybody and their actors are reading a lot. Especially the people who are doing extremely well. They're keeping themselves very aware. They read the right books. They align with the right people. They are watching the right makers, not just in India but all over the world. So it's not all fun and games and frivolous. Sometimes that is the perception of the industry that goes out, and that's not true.
Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Hi.
Oh,
again.
God.
Hello. Hi.
Hi for the 5th time. So you guys are obviously such like an iconic couple. You've had a beautiful relationship. What advice would you give like young people who are still looking for love, who are on dating apps, Raya, and trying to find that partner?
For the ones on Raya, I'll give an advice. In case you don't know, it's a dating app.
And don't swipe right on Ravi the way he's taken.
Also, it's just kind of a so I don't know. I mean, go live your life. When the right one is going to come along, he or she will come along.
कोई एडवाइस नहीं है.
कोई क्या
You
advice है?
guys
हम
are
कौन होते हैं
very
advice
busy
देने वाले?
doing breadcrumbing and situationships. No advice is going to work on you.
सब बोलेंगे कोई पुराने जमाने के वो आ गए अंकल आंटी,
We
इनसे
will
क्या
say,
एडवाइस लेनी, सब
please,
पत्थर मारेंगे सब.
आप लोग घर बैठ के वो करिए पूजा पाठ. तो शायद कोई ऊपर वाला ही आपको राह दिखा दे.
Awesome. Also, love your take on manifestation. We are coming up with a manifestation journal.
Oh my
so I'll
god!
send that to you.
I'll take everything that I sent just back. My god. Okay, so is it going to be on Insta Reels?
What?
Manifestation.
Which your
No,
manifest?
yours, the one that you were doing.
What manifestation?
कुछ कर रहे हो ना आप manifestation पे?
We're actually coming up with a manifestation journal on how you
हाँ,
can manifest, like
अच्छा,
with a step-by-step
Wow.
breakdown. So yeah, we'll send that to you.
I believe in manifestation.
Either put this or edit out the part that he said before.
Yeah.
You can watch our podcast.
I will.
Anybody else? Nancy? She's your biggest fan. As soon as she realized that you all are coming, she said, "Oh my God!" And now Nancy is not asking.
लेट हो गए कब से बोल रही हूँ, हमें तो अगस्त में कर लेना चाहिए था.
Yeah.
So welcome to Humans of Bombay and all of us are really happy to have you.
We are so happy.
मैं तो आप लोगों को बहुत मतलब देखती ही रहती हूँ, तो मुझे मोस्टली सब मैं देखती रहती हूँ. बट आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग में जो सरगुन आपने कहा कि और आपने भी रवि कि एक फ्यूचर बनाना था साथ में, बट फ्यूचर तो पता ही नहीं है, मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है कभी भी. तो बना लिया है या बन रहा है?
जब ये ख्याल आया था मन में, तो उस हिसाब से बना लिया है, आज के हिसाब से बन रहा है.
Amazing. Thank you. Hi Ravi, hi Sargun. I think you guys are the most adorable couple someone can look up to. So on that note, I think कि झगड़े ना सारे रिलेशनशिप्स में होते हैं. आई थिंक होने भी चाहिए, बिकॉज कहते हैं ना झगड़ा करने से प्यार बढ़ता है. तो आप दोनों के बीच में जब झगड़ा होता है तो कौन पहले मनाता है और कैसे मनाता है?
मैं.
कैसे मनाते हो?
हाथ जोड़ के.
मान जाती हैं?
हाँ?
मान
Yeah,
जाती
we
हैं?
keep it very simple.
We keep it simple.
Amazing. Thank you.
You know, ये सवाल बहुत सारे लोगों से किया है. Same answer. और मैंने just say sorry. We
Yeah.
were I was on
We
a
are
panel.
apologetic by nature.
I was on a panel with MSD, and he was like, "बस sorry बोल दो.
जी.
It's simple. there's no step 2.
जी.
ये एक
Yeah,
step.
just confess and accept the fact that it was your
Yes,
mistake.
Alexa. हाँ, मैं ही हूँ वो महापापी.
Start with that.
Hello.
Hi Ravi, hi Sargun. Huge fan first of all, and I follow you religiously.
So sorry, you're not.
Can't hear you.
वो माइक एक्चुअली काम नहीं करता, वो खाली वो
वो सिर्फ YouTube का काम है. Actually live में कुछ नहीं है.
Huge fan. I follow you religiously on Instagram, and now when we are
मैं आता
talking
हूँ
about
वहाँ पे. क्या कह रहे हो?
huge fan, I follow you both religiously on Instagram. We are talking about love, I have one question. You know how people say it's easy to fall in love, but tough to stay in love.
जी.
How do you guys manage to stay in love? I think that's the task we all faced. How do you manage that?
वो बताओ.
Suddenly there are so many love questions.
Everyone
I feel like love guru for no reason. Like I'm like मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ किया
Then
भी नहीं.
talk like that love guru also, ना? That
Yeah.
comes on radio.
हर रोज सुबह बेलीफ पे लड़के का नाम लिख के पानी में उबालो. I'm like bro, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि हम ये सारे जवाब दे रहे हैं? How do you stay in love? There are things I hate about him, and there are things that he might hate about me, but those are not big enough for me to not respect him or not love him. Like, there is nothing in the world that can make me not want to see him. So that's about it. I can hate so many things or habits, or you know how nowadays in your terms there are red flags that you can feel like यार ये कर दिया, ये तो मुझे पसंद नहीं है यार, I have to think about this relationship. It's not that. I haven't put that choice on the table. It's not on the table that whether it is with him or without him, it is always with him. तो अगर if I don't like something about him, I beat him up. Then he stops to do it. and then love is maintained.
वो थी ना पिक्चर कभी खुशी कभी गम, हमारे यहाँ कभी चाबुक कभी कोहनी.
The power is restrained.
Yeah.
Retained.
It's very simple.
Yeah,
Yeah.
simple.
Formula is the same.
हाँ जी.
हाय रवि, हाय शगुन.
Hi.
माय नेम इज़ चिराग.
ये चिराग.
मेरे 2 सवाल हैं आपके लिए. एक तो आपका जो प्रोडक्शन हाउस है इसका बहुत प्यारा नाम है, ड्रीमियाटा एंटरटेनमेंट एंड देन ड्रीमियाटा म्यूज़िक एंड नाउ ड्रीमियाटा ड्रामास.
जी.
सो पहला सवाल, ये नाम कहाँ से आया और क्या आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर पाओगे? ड्रीमियाटा, इट्स अ वेरी यूनिक एंड अ वेरी स्वीट नेम टू इवन हियर. And secondly, can you put some light on your new projects of Dreamiata Drama, your new initiative, I could say, because you were there on, I mean, you both were there on movies, TV, music.
जी.
So what made you come on digital platform and what is Dreamiata Drama all about? So first of all, the name and then the new projects. Thank you.
When we were thinking of the name, तो हमें था कि ये सारावी टाइप नेम बहुत अजीब लगेंगे, सारावी प्रोडक्शन. सो वी वांटेड टू से समथिंग मोर एंड इयाता मीन्स इनफाइनाइट in another language. So the idea was that dream infinite and that's why we called it Dreamiata. और हमें लगा कि साउंड अच्छा कर रहा है तो Dreamiata. जबकि आज तक मेरी मम्मा कहती है कि देखो यश चोपड़ा का वो पता लगता है ना, तुम्हारा भी होना चाहिए सारावी. नहीं मम्मा, I want it to be Dreamiata. It means more to me. And I feel like anybody who ever understands the idea of it will understand that no matter who's walking into that door in the office, we're asking you to dream infinite. It's fine. And whoever sits there to work is also thinking like that. And we also are inspired to be like that. We dream infinite. Dreamiata drama basically, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, that we were, हम लोग मिडल मैन हटा रहे थे. मिडल मैन इन द सेंस कि आपको दिख रहा है कि कोई है जो आप पे हाथ रखेगा और आपको स्टार बनाएगा, या फिर आप चलते चलते अपने कदम ऐसे बना लोगे कि आप अपने लिए कुछ कर पाओगे. आपको कंटेंट बनाना है. जब मैंने पहली पंजाबी फिल्म भी हाँ बोली थी टू प्रोड्यूस, दैट वाज बिकॉज उनके पास उतना बजट नहीं था फॉर द हीरोइन, पर मुझे फ़िल्म पसंद थी. तो मैंने रवि को कहा कि हम लोग साथ प्रोड्यूस कर लेते हैं. मुझे फ़िल्म पसंद है, उनके पास उतने पैसे नहीं है, बट टुगेदर वी कैन मेक अ गुड फिल्म. And that's how Dreamiata came to be, again for content. तो द आइडिया वॉज कि ऐसे ही बहुत सारे स्टोरीज स्क्रिप्ट्स हमारे पास आते हैं जो हमें लगता है कि हमें बनाने चाहिए, वेदर वो OTT पे है, वेदर वो फिल्म पे है, वेदर वो टेलीविज़न पे है, हर जगह पे ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है. तो हमें था कि हम खुद क्यों नहीं बना सकते. नंबर 1 was that idea. Dreamiata drama came about because we felt that there was a gap in the market. जो लोग टेलीविज़न देखते हैं वो कहते हैं कि यार ये तो बहुत लंबा चलता है, या हमें पता नहीं होता है कि कब. एंड देयर इज़ एन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ टाइम दैट यू नीड फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस विच गोज़ फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू डू नॉट नो व्हेन. शो चल गया तो 5 साल, नहीं चला तो 3 महीने 4 महीने. एंड इन OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स यू गेट टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ अडल्ट कॉन्टेंट विच इज़ ओके एंड इट्स नॉट रियली फैमिली वॉचेबल. नॉट एवरीथिंग इज़ समथिंग जो फैमिली देख सकती है, और वहाँ पर बहुत थ्रिलर, हू डन इट टाइप कॉन्टेंट आता है. बट फॉर प्योर K3G, if not a film and it was a drama, वो कहीं नहीं देखने को मिल रहा है. If there was a Veer Zara, you can't see it anywhere. And I am a huge consumer of drama. चाहे वो Turkish हो, चाहे Korean हो, that I'm sure everybody is watching, चाहे पाकिस्तानी हो, everybody is watching it. So the idea was कि वो कोई नहीं बना रहा है तो वो हम बनाते हैं. So it's basically a format जहाँ पर हम 25 to 30 episodes अपनी पसंदीदा कहानियों के बोलेंगे with original music and keeping it on a good scale. So that's the idea of Dreamiata drama, and I hope people watch it and like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for doing this with us. It was amazing, and y'all are love gurus. So congratulations, new title.
don't.
Instagram पे reels होंगी love gurus के. See now, if people start writing names
How
on.
can we be love gurus? The only thing we've said here is that love is commercial. Manifestation doesn't exist. We're definitely not Instagram.
मार के हाँ बुलवाती हूँ.
The only way that I've kept him with me is Bayleaf. Nothing's working in our favor on Instagram.
still underlying notes.
Yeah.
Underlying notes. But thank you so much, and all the very best
Thank you.
for the production house, for the shows which are coming, 2 of which I've seen, and they look amazing.
Thank
There's
you.
nothing like that on the market. So we're all rooting for you. We're all going to watch
Please
it. And to all our viewers, please watch it. It's releasing. One is on December 6th.
No, December 6th, the first trailer
Trailer's
drops.
out. Yeah. And December 14th.
December 9th, the second trailer comes
December
out.
19th.
December 14th is when we launch the platform Dreamy Aata Drama.
Okay.
And that's going to be on YouTube,
Yeah.
quite like us.
Free.
It's free to subscribe. Please go to Dreamy Aata Drama, and it will be
Yeah.
a big help if you subscribe it
Yeah.
right now. And
और वो बेल आइकन भी दबाएं
वो भी दबाना मुझे बोलना होता है.
Yeah. So we're going to leave the links below.
Please
so
do,
please do
that'd
go
be
and
great
subscribe to them. And we're sending you lots of love and good wishes. Thank
I
you
have
so
one
much.
request to all of
Yeah.
you who are here and to everybody who's watching. This is a massive step for us, me and Sargun. And when you pray, just keep us in your thought. That will do all the magic. And everybody who's watching, that's my personal request to all of you as well.
Yeah, absolutely. We're all going to watch, and we will all subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much. It
Thank
was
you very
lovely.
much.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you for being the best community, and we'll see you in the next one.